Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to explore Herdr. I'm on the official website of Herdr, that is herdr.dev. Herdr is an agent multiplexer. Run all your coding agents from one terminal on any box, even over SSH. Each runs in its own real terminal on a server that keeps it alive when you close the laptop. See blocked, working, and done at glance, and reattach from your phone. So first of all, what we will do is we'll install Herdr. To install Herdr, you can copy this curl command, or you can use homebrew as well. I'm going to copy the curl command. Go to your terminal, paste it there, and hit enter, and follow the installation steps. I'm not going to do that because I have already Herdr installed on my machine. So after the installation is complete, you can type Herdr, Herdr, hit enter. You'll be able to see the Herdr interface. It has spaces on the left-hand side and agents. And the right-hand side, we call it panes, just like inside Tmux. So this is a workspace here, and each workspace can have multiple tabs. You can add a new tab by clicking on this plus icon. You'll get this pop-up. Hit enter to create a new tab. As you can see, I have created a new tab, and each tab can be split into multiple panes. You can split this pane towards the right or towards bottom. I'm going to click on split right. As you can see, I now have two panes for this tab, and each pane is a separate terminal. I can further click on this pane and split it towards down. So I now have three panes here, and inside each pane, I can run different AI agents. For example, inside this pane, I'm going to run OpenCode. Hit enter. You can see OpenCode is running inside this pane. As this pane is a terminal in itself, that's why OpenCode is running here. Inside this, I'm going to run Codex. Hit enter. And inside the third one, I'm going to write Py. So I now have three AI agents inside three panes. So this tab contains three panes, and every pane contains an AI agent. And the second tab contains only one pane. So this is what is inside this workspace, tilde workspace. I can create a new workspace by clicking on this new text, and let me change the directory for this workspace. Now this workspace is inside the coding directory, and this workspace is inside the tilde directory. You can use separate workspaces for separate projects. You can use multiple tabs. For example, if you are building a project, you can put all the front end resources inside tab 1 and back end resources inside tab 2, and so on. To resize the panes, you can simply hold click and drag the panes. So it looks similar to Tmux, but what is the difference? Let's say if I type something here, let's say hello to OpenCode, it gives me this loader. This tells me that inside this pane, something is loading, and it recognizes which agents are running inside the panes. So Herdr is aware of what is running inside its terminals or panes. So if I'm running OpenCode, Herdr knows that this pane contains OpenCode and it's running. And if it has completed, there is no loading going on here. And if it's blocked, it will give me the blocked status as well. That means Herdr is aware of the tasks that are going inside its panes. It's aware of the status of the task. It's aware of the agent that is running inside that pane. So when I run OpenCode in this, it knows this pane is running OpenCode, it knows this pane is running Codex, and it knows this pane is running Py. So it's aware of AI agents. So Herdr is simply Tmux that is aware of AI agents, which has awareness about AI agents. Herdr runs on a server. This interface that you're looking acts as a client, and the actual things are running inside a server, Herdr server, that is running locally on your computer. So this UI that you're seeing is separate from what's actually going on inside Herdr. The actual tasks that are running, those are running inside the server. So if we close this window, Herdr window here, terminate it, open a new terminal, type Herdr again, you'll see it'll start from where we left. So that means the agents, if you're running agents or doing any tasks using Herdr, the tasks are running on the server and are not interrupted when you close the terminal, when you terminate the Herdr terminal. That means the tasks are still running on the server. This is just a client interface for the Herdr terminal multiplexer. Herdr also provides a socket API. That means you can programmatically create a pane inside Herdr. Let me show you. Let me close this Py pane first. Let me close this as well, and let me ask OpenCode, create a Herdr Herdr pane inside this workspace and run Codex inside that pane, and whenever I say hello to you, forward it to Codex and let it generate a response. Let me hit enter. As you can see on the left hand side, it's giving me this loading icon. If I have different agents running here, I know where the process is still going on, which agents have completed their work, which agents are blocked. So give it some time. I'm using OpenCode Big Pickle. That's a free model. As you can see, it has created a new pane here. Now I'll run Codex on that pane. It has given the command Codex as well. Now you can see Codex is running in the second pane. This is awesome. Now it's testing if this works. It has given Codex, hello, this is a test. Let's see what it does. Now it's testing that we told it to do, say hello. Now OpenCode has completed the task. Now let's test it. I'm going to type say hello, hit enter. You can see Codex has received another say hello and it's responding hello. And we'll get the response here as well. Hello. This is cool. This is how you can use Herdr Socket APIs to programmatically create subagents for your main agents. So to know more about Herdr and Herdr commands, you can go to the official website, read the docs there. That is herdr.dev/docs. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.